10 Tips for Preventive Maintenance, Part 2. Number 4, Plan ahead to accommodate. Production need not suffer in order to perform preventive maintenance. Schedule tasks that require downtime during slower seasons. Good machine maintenance requires 4 to 8 hours, but this investment can prevent 36 to 48 hours of unexpected maintenance when something breaks. Number 5, Ask your equipment provider. Some machinery manufacturers offer preventive maintenance service visits for discounted parts and labor costs. If your provider doesn't offer service agreements, propose a plan. Not only do service contracts help ensure that maintenance is performed on your equipment, but they also help you budget for it. Because maintenance programs are especially important for frequently used equipment, consider manufacturer service programs for these machines at least. Number 6, Buy spare parts there needed. Ask your equipment provider for a recommended spare parts list. You need not buy everything on the list, but when service technicians are in your plant, ask what they recommend that you keep in your plan. The most needed parts usually can be purchased inexpensively, minimizing downtime when they're needed.